Billy here from Happy and Helpful Handyman. So I've now had the company for 4 years, and I don't know if you've been keeping up with my channel, but I used to have a Dodge Ram van, but now I have a F-150 with an 8-foot bed on it, and I was gonna do an update for you guys. So I got all my drill bits and different safety bits and everything up here, cone bits, and then I have house wrap here. I got some floor protection, I got some painter's plastic, I have a rope here. This is good for if I'm ever lowering anything from roofs or anything. And then I have duct tape and clear tape, all kinds of tapes here. And then this is if I need any quick drill bits or paddle bits or wire nuts or anything just small and random. I keep in this one. It's easy to get to. And then always keep some paint, because I'm always painting new drywall, batteries. So yeah, we got new sawzall now, and got my hoe bits here. Got my leaf blower, got a heat gun up here. There's my trim gun. And then I can lock all my boxes, and if I want to, I could lock the truck, leave these unlocked, and then if anyone opens it, it sets a car alarm off because it has this little safety mechanism there. But yeah, it's got a ladder rack on it, and I got my 26-foot ladder on there. So, and then if you open it up, I keep concrete trowels in the door, some clamps, my tool bag, got my air compressor, my rolling scaffold, got my stuff for doing concrete, extension cords. There's my Happy and Helpful Handyman magnet for when I want to advertise. Keep my 6-foot ladder here, it doesn't make any noise. Some tarps, shovel, buckets. Got some more stuff here, just random paintbrushes, caulk guns, razor blades, things I need quick and easy. Always carry water. This is a portable shock or vacuum. It's really good. I keep this in here in case I ever run out of gas, and then I also keep gas back there in case, but you never know, so it's always good to have another transportation. And then I have my snowboard in here for doing snowboard tricks. You can catch videos on Kickflip Billy. Here's my drywall box. It's just got drywall tools in it. I got this cool thing for lifting up drywall sheets. You can see a video on that on my page. Another cool little tool I got for lifting up drywall. My pans, my knobs. Get those gator sponges, they're really good. And keep that in my DeWalt box. I've been packing a backpack. I actually like carrying it now because I could put my water bottles in the side. It holds my hammers, it holds drill bits. It's got 2 spots. I can put my drill right here and drape it down and carry it inside. I'll keep duct tape right there on the side of it. Inside I just got squares, chalk lines, snips, stuff I need. Inside just knives and pins and some electrical tools. Right there's my table for cutting stuff on. And this is for my scaffold, my rolling scaffold I got there. And then over here we have my Husky bit box here. This has all kinds of screws and bits in it, and just different things like that. Yep. So and that sits right on top of my other Husky box. And in this Husky box, I keep all my miscellaneous stuff, like air hoses and concrete trowels and just big caulk guns and random stuff I don't use a lot. But everything's easy to access from this door right here. I open it up and then I can just reach in and grab what I need. And got some rags set up there, real convenient. I got my safety harness here for when I do roofs, and then I have straps here in this bag. And then these go in boxes, but I just haven't found a home for them. So first aid kit, I don't use that one a lot. I have a first aid kit in the front because it's easy to access, and this one I'm not gonna get in here and climb all the way back here just to grab it, so it's just extra for when I run out. Shock vac, this one's been pretty good, probably my favorite shock vac. The hose is small and that allows you to really control where you need to clean. I got this strapped down so it don't move, but I'm gonna unstrap it for you guys. Got the glasses with the lights on them. Got these at Lowe's. I don't shop at Lowe's a lot, but Lowe's is okay. So yeah, I just want to show you, this is my plumbing box. So in here I have all my plumbing stuff. I love this flex paste. It is really good. I use it sometimes, not all the time. Here's my snake, really good Husky. I use this all the time. But yeah, just carry this is really nice right here. But there's my plumbing box. That gas can I told you about. Yeah, I keep fluids in here in case I need any antifreeze or anything like that. Easy to get to. And in here, not so easy to get to. Oscillator with blades and screws and stuff like that back there. And then if I unattach it here, I could show you my electrical box. It's really hard to get. I make it this hard to get to in case someone tries to steal it. Okay, that was a lie. Now that battle's over, time to show you my electrical box. Yeah, I can't even get in there. But anyways, plugs, wires, linemen. Okay. Anyways, if I ever need this, I could easily, not easily, but I could get it out and use it. Probably need to make everything more convenient. That was hell. Okay. I've made a mess. I'm just trying to reorganize it. All right. So yeah. And up top here I have my T-square, my broom, rake. Always keep a rake, clean people's grass, and I got a level in there too. And I have, that is a tool for taking decks apart. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for joining me. I could get to it from this side too and access anything I need. Yep, real cozy up here. Got the tissues, got it made. I got this nice little organizer here. And then I have my Happy and Helpful Handyman signs back there, yard signs. All right, thank you for joining me, and I'll keep updating you guys. I have another van, so I went from that Dodge van to an Astro van, and I still have it, but I use it for storage mostly now. But like I said, I'll keep updating you guys, and yeah, just subscribe so you can stay in tune and watch the business grow.